Hello friend, welcome to my channel Analysis with Ashish. So this is my new video. In this video I'm going to solve this question student and examination. You can see that I have already solved all previous questions in our previous video, and now it's turn to solve this question student and examination. So we have three tables: students, subjects and examinations. Students table contain student ID, student name, and subjects table contain only one column, which is subject name. Examination table contain two columns, student ID and subject name. According to these questions, we have to write a solution to find the number of times each student attended each exam. Return the result table order by student ID and student name. The result format is in the following example. You can see the example, guys. We have three tables. This is a student ID, student name. We have three: subject name, math, physics and programming. And in examination table, these are student ID and these are subject name. So guys, for every student, for each student and each subject, we have to find the number of attendant examination. So L is given 3 examination for math. Again L is given 2 examination for physics, and L is given 1 examination for programming, and so on for Bob, Alex and John. So let me write the query first. Select star from students as st, cross join subject as sp. So let me explain, guys, first. So I joined these two tables, students and subject. We use cross join for joining. By using this cross join, we will get these all three results will connected with all single rows. For example, you can see in a result, see in output section, student ID 1, programming student ID 1, physics student ID 1, math. So every student have 3 subject, all rows connected in a cross by cross join. So guys, in expected output you can see that we get student ID, student name, subject name, but we have to also retrieve attendant exams. So for that we have to use left join to examination as E. So here we guys, we have to connect these record. So by left join, because we want all these rows from this both table, that's why I used left join. So we have to add condition, on which condition it should be connect. So we have to connect on student ID as well as student subject name, like this. st dot student ID is equal to e dot student ID. So you can see here there is also student ID and students table, and there is also student ID and examination table. So, and also guys, we have to add one more condition by using an sb dot subject name equal to b dot subject name. So you can see that in examination there is subject name, and also in a subject table subject name. So we have to also use group by clause, group by, because we want only distinct value. We don't want duplicate values, so that's why we need to add group by st dot student ID comma sb dot subject name. And you can also see that guys, we have to return result in this format. So let me copy this and paste. We have to use order by clause on this column, and in our output table we want these both table, and also we want st dot student name, and we want one more table, attendant exam. So for that we have to add count function on e dot subject name as attendant exam. So our code is get completed. Let me add semicolon. Yeah, so now it's time to run this code. Guys, you can see that this code get accepted successfully. So now it's time to submit this code. Yes, our code get successfully accepted. So guys, if this video help you, so please hit the like button, and if you find any issue or if you wanna ask any questions, so you can put the comment below, and please subscribe this channel for video like this. And thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.